Hi, this is MD Shariful Islam. I'm the founder of Unmixr AI. Today I'll be showing you how Unmixr AI works. So let's get started. Unmixr AI is a generative AI based SaaS software which is specifically designed for creating digital content. We have three main products: AI text to speech, audio video dubbing, AI chat and copywriting. Let me show you one by one. To get started, let's sign into the app. The left sidebar, you will see all our features listed. For the text to speech, we will use Voice Studio. In the Voice Studio, we have list of AI voices showing the left panel. There is a default voice for the studio. The right sidebar showing all the configuration options for the default voice. You can customize the voice style, speed, pitch, and volume. The top bar showing the project option with other editor features. Let me create a new project. I want to create all my audios under this project. Once the project is created and selected, paste your content in the editor. Select a voice that matches your expectation. You can use the drop down to select different languages and more filter to find out filter options. Let me select this voice. Now you can listen preview here. In the editor, you can select up to 200k characters, which is approximately 3.5 hours long audio. You can use multiple voices in the same script. To use a different voice for this paragraph, select this text, then select voice. Let me select this. Now you can listen preview of this blog. You can customize this blog with different style, speed, pitch, and volume. Once the script is finalized, click on generate to create the audio. In just few seconds, audio will be available. You can see all your generated audio underneath. To create audios longer than 200k characters, you can generate multiple audios and merge using our audio merge feature. You can also generate subtitle and add background music in the audio. Now you can share the audio with the link, download the audio, or embed it. You can customize the audio sharing widget from here. Let's head over to Dubbing Studio. We created this Dubbing Studio for you to break language barriers and expand your reach. You can create the same video in multiple languages in just few steps under few minutes. To start with, let's open the Dubbing Studio now. Here you can enter the YouTube video URL or upload any audio or video file in the supported formats mentioned here. Let me select one. Once file is selected, you need to select the languages and other options. Hit transcribe. Well, transcription request is submitted. Once transcription process is completed, the status will be changed to transcribed like this. Well, transcription is completed. Now click on it. It will open the Dubbing Studio. The left panel contains the original video and its transcription. The right panel contains the dubbed version of video and its script. As I mentioned earlier, dubbing is a three-step process: transcribe, translate, and dub. We already transcribed it. Now we need to translate it. And then Once the translation is completed, then the dubbing will be available for us. Let's translate it. To translate into different languages, select the language option from here and then translate. Well, the translation is completed. Once the translation is ready, you need to select voices for all the detected speakers. After you selected voices for all speakers, the dubbing button will be enabled here like this. Click on create dubbing button and the dubbing process will start. You can also edit the script from the edit option. You can listen the preview, edit the script, adjust the pitch, volume. If the voice support style options, then you can do that. Let's create the dubbing. It will take a few minutes. After the dubbing is ready, it will auto load in the studio. You can download the original transcript from here as a plain text or with timestamp and speaker, or as a subtitle. You can download the dubbed version of video, audio, or even the dubbed script subtitle in this language from here. Now let's explore the copywriting tools. Go back to the dashboard. In the left sidebar, you will see a bunch of copywriting tools. The tools listed here: AI image, translator, AI chat, templates, text transformer, AI writing editor. The AI image generator lets you create stunning visuals. There, you can generate realistic images in different formats and different sizes. The AI translator is designed to provide you most accurate translation for your target languages. The AI chatbot Tommy supports multiple chat engines in the same chat window. Also, it can generate stunning visuals. We have 50 plus proven templates designed for you to draft your content instantly. The text transformer can instantly transform your text into any format. The AI writing editor helps you write long form content with the help of generative AI. You can start with an initial draft from the list of templates, then gradually refine your content with the simplify, rephrase, grammar checker and other tools. Let AI write your own content when you are stuck. We strongly believe these tools can boost your content creation to the next level. We would really appreciate your feedback that helps us keep up the good work that we do to support you. Thanks for watching.